Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, we are going to discuss about the famous drug Vinca, its source, family, chemical constituents, chemical test, adulterants and uses. Before entering to our topic, there is a saying by Steve Irwin. He said, "I believe that education is all about being excited about something. Seeing passion and enthusiasm helps push an educational message." So our drug Vinca, its common name Madagascan Periwinkle. Its source Catharanthus roseus has been variously designated. It's also known as Vinca rosea and Lochnera rosea. Family Apocynaceae. Chemical constituents: about 150 alkaloids have been isolated from Catharanthus roseus. For example, ajmalicine, serpentine and tetrahydroalstonine. Of particular interest is a group of about 20 bisindole alkaloids. So these are the drugs are very famous antineoplastic activity, so anti-cancer activity drugs, including leurocristine or vincristine and vincaleukoblastine or vinblastine. So vinblastine is produced by coupling of indole alkaloids catharanthine and indole. Chemical test: Vinca extract is mixed with vanillin or HCl reagent gives pink color for vinblastine and orange yellow for vincristine. It is also, when mixed with van-Urks reagent, it gives reddish brown color. Adulterants: the adulterants are Catharanthus longifolius, Catharanthus trichophilus and Catharanthus C.lanceus. Uses: these are the famous anti-cancer drugs. So vinblastine is used mainly for treatment of generalized Hodgkin's disease and non-Hodgkin's lymphomas. Next, vincristine is used principally in the treatment of acute lymphocytic leukemia in children. It has other applications for lymphomas, small cell lung cancer, cervical and breast cancers. The semisynthetic vindoline is also used in the treatment of acute lymphoid leukemia in children. Vincristine has a superior anti-tumor activity compared to vinblastine but is more neurotoxic. Vinorelbine is a newer orally active semisynthetic compound with a broader anti-cancer activity and lower neurotoxic side effects than the other Catharanthus alkaloids. Thank you for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.